Welcome to the ultimate recycling process. Look at these colors stream down. It all mixes into a mesmerizing, swirling liquid.
These heavy metal molds bake the material.
Precision cutting shapes the rough core into a perfect sphere.
But how do we get that plastic? It starts with your everyday recycled bottles.
Millions of empty bottles make their way up the conveyor.
They are thrown into a heavy-duty shredder, chewing through plastic-like paper.
No bottle survives this monstrous machine.
What comes out is a mountain of multicolored plastic flakes. Next step, a rigorous bath, washing away dirt and labels. The agitators ensure every single flake is spotlessly clean.
Once washed, industrial fans blast away the moisture.
Dry and ready. These pure flakes are about to undergo a massive transformation.
Down into the heated auger they go.
Under immense heat and pressure, the plastic melts down into a beautiful psychedelic paste. Look at that smooth consistency. Now, it's extruded into long, colorful spaghetti-like strands. Water instantly cools the molten strands, hardening them perfectly.
Pulled out of the bath, these hardened strands are ready for the next phase. A high-speed rotary cutter chops them down into tiny, versatile pellets. Millions of perfectly cut color pellets, looking like candy. These high-grade recycled pellets take a ride to the mixing station. They drop directly into the final hopper, preparing to become something heavy. Now we mix in the magic. Resin and chemical hardeners are poured over the plastic. The enormous screw blends the elements into a flawless, thick bowling ball core liquid. Look at that mesmerizing lava flow of pure liquid weight. The vibrant mix is pooled together, while the heavy molds line up for their turn.
Here we go. The hot core material is injected right into the waiting molds.
Look at the psychedelic marble effect. Every single ball is completely unique.
Mass production at its finest. Hundreds of molds filled simultaneously.
The heavy lids slam shut, sealing the molten core under immense pressure. Next stop, the inferno. Baking the ball sets the resin into an indestructible rock. Curing at over hundreds of degrees, the chemical reaction makes the plastic solid.
Every minute inside the oven hardens the core layer by layer.
Sometimes, the pressure is released, revealing the boiling lava core. Thousands of bowling balls baking to absolute perfection in a vast thermal chamber. Out of the fire, they emerge piping hot, needing an immediate cool down. A blast of icy steam drops the temperature fast, shocking the core into rigid, solid mass. The moment of truth. The mold splits to reveal the raw, porous bowling ball core inside. Automated claw grips the heavy core, ripping it from its metal bed. Dropped onto the rough track, these ugly ducklings prepare for a serious makeover.
They might look like meteorites now, but wait till you see what happens next.
Lining up for the surgical shave. Time to cut away the ugly crust.
The CNC lathe spins the ball at lightning speed, shaving it down to a flawless millimeter precision sphere. Underneath that dirt hides a gorgeous gallery of colors. Boom! Look at the sparks fly. Now it's time to shine. Spinning buffers and polishing compound buff out every tiny scratch.
A flawless glass-like finish. The colors pop like a swirling nebula. High-tech laser scanning maps the ball to pinpoint the absolute perfect center of gravity.
Custom engraving brands the beast. Then a final protective clear coat spray down. This ultra-glossy clear coat locks in the vibrant swirls and protects against heavy impact.
Through the thermal tunnel, the infrared lamps bake that clear coat into an armor shield. Baking the gloss, you can literally see the reflection of the factory in its mirror finish. An absolute army of flawless bowling balls rolling out, ready for action. It's a rainbow river of heavy artillery. Time for the final wipe down.
A soft wool buffer gives it that final, slick, tournament-ready glide. Spotless, zero defects allowed. The finish is rigorously checked. From a pile of trash to a high-performance strike machine, time to box it up. Packed with care, look at these unique, custom-engraved designs. Truly a work of art.
Ready to ship out globally. These bad boys are hitting the lanes. From discarded plastic waste to high-end sports gear, the transformation is complete. And that is how you turn trash into strikes. Thanks for watching.